In this section, we're going to cover a Visual Basic essential, and that's the object model. Now, I also call this understanding the dot in VBA. You really need to understand this concept if you want to write your own code or you want to update the code that's recorded from the macro recorder, or basically the code that you find on online forums as well. So once you understand this concept and you have a solid basis, you can pretty much build anything you want on top of this. First, I'm going to show you where the code reference libraries are. Then we're going to take a second look at the macro that we recorded in the last section, and I'm going to take you through the color guidelines and some important concepts that you need to know when it comes to Visual Basic and working with the Visual Basic editor. Then we're going to take a look at the object model. We're going to understand what properties and methods are. And we're going to take a look at the different ways that we can find the correct syntax when we're writing code, because that is one of the most difficult parts in Visual Basic, especially when you're writing your own code, to come up with the correct syntax. So this section is basically a must for anyone who's starting to learn VBA, or for anyone who just jumped in, but they never took a step back to really understand the concept of objects, methods, and properties. Now, I'm guilty of this because when I started to learn, I just jumped in. Had I known this, had I taken the time to learn this, I would have saved a lot of time.